Hello everyone, welcome back to day 3 of our 30-day vocabulary series. I hope you have watched my day 1 and day 2. So today is day 3 and today's word of the day is reluctant. Yes, the correct pronunciation is reluctant. Repeat after me. Reluctant. Reluctant. Correct. We use reluctant as an adjective. Now let's understand the meaning. In simple English, reluctant means not willing and not comfortable to do something. In Hindi, we can say किसी काम या किसी चीज को करने में हिचकिचाहट या झिझक महसूस होना. लाइक हम कभी कोई काम करने जाते हैं या कोई नया काम करने जाते हैं, कभी कोई चीज़ हम पहली बार कर रहे हैं तो हमें थोड़ी झिझक महसूस होती है, तो उस टाइम हम ये वर्ड यूज़ कर सकते हैं reluctant. Now let's look at some synonyms of reluctant. Unwilling, uncertain, hesitant, and cautious. Now let's understand this word more with some examples. At first, I was reluctant to start my YouTube channel. She was reluctant to share her opinion in front of others. Many people feel reluctant to speak English in front of others. Now guys, I will tell you the practical way how you can use all words in your daily conversation together, which we have already learned day 1, day 2 and day 3. We have 3 words: evolve, inculcate, reluctant. So now you will see how I am using all 3 words in my one sentence. I used to be reluctant to speak English, but over time I evolved and inculcated the habit of speaking confidently. See, this is the magic to learn any word practically. You can also use this word in your conversation, and when you repeat a word again and again, it will automatically goes into your muscles memory. So that's why I tell you, just whenever I tell you any new word, just use into your daily conversation. This is the best and practical way to learn any new word. So guys, I'll see you in my next video with another powerful word. Till then, use this word as much as possible and use all 3 words together in your one sentence, and you can make one mini story with these words. This is the best way you can learn new vocabulary daily. So till then, bye bye. See you in my next video.